Meaning of get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out. Get out is a term used to describe a situation where someone is being asked to leave or vacate a particular location or situation. It can also refer to the act of pushing someone out of a situation or forcing them to leave. The result of a get out can vary widely depending on the circumstances. In some cases, it may be a simple request for someone to leave a space, while in other cases it may involve legal action or physical force. Overall, get out is a strongly worded term that implies a sense of urgency or importance in leaving a particular location or situation.